So now let's see how we can post out quiz assignment inside of Google Classroom. So in order to post out quiz assignment, I'm going to go around over here under the classwork section, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create. Once I do that, I'm going to go around and choose quiz assignment. So as I do this, what happens is that you can see a blank quiz has been assigned right here, which is made by using Google Forms. And that is what the quiz assignment is all about. You can go around and then attach a Google Form quiz assignment right here. So I'm just going to go around and say attempt this quiz right here, just like this. And I'm going to not add in any instruction over here and go to the blank quiz right here. So now what happens is that it opens up a Google form right here. So now instead of blank quiz right here, I'm just going to go around and change the quiz name over here. And let's just go around and say knowledge test right here, just like this. And this is what you have. And then I'm going to go around and then copy and paste this right over here as well. So now I'm going to go around and say choose the right answer over here. So now I'm going to go around over here and say which one of these is an operating system right here, just like this. And this is going to be a multiple choice, and I'm going to say Windows, and I'm going to go around and say let's say Office, and I'm going to go around and say, let's say WordPad right here, and then I'm going to add in the key answer as well as Windows right here. And this is going to be, let's say for example, 5 points right here. So I'm going to press done and mark it as required, just like this. I'm going to go around and click on add question over here again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in another question as well, like which one of these is an internet browser right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and say Chrome, and I'm going to go around and say Android, and I'm going to go around and say Chrome right here. Maybe I replaced it, and I'm going to go around over here and say Steam right here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this as required, add in an answer key, Chrome as the answer, and I'm going to select 5 over here, just like this. So the total points is 10, so I'm going to press OK. So this is what you have, as you can see, and this is how the quiz is set. So now I can go back over here and then assign this out. So I'm not going to set any due dates topic for this one. You can also set rubrics, as you can see right here. I'm just going to go around and keep it simple for now and assign this out. And once I do that, what happens is that the quiz has been assigned. And if I were to go around onto the stream, you can see this quiz right here. And now you can see that it is accepting submissions. And now what happens is that the students will be able to access this quiz and then attempt it and submit it in Google Classroom. And that is how you can go around and post out quiz assignments inside of Google Classroom as a teacher. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.